Welcome, my name is Thomas LEDFORD, and I'm here to talk about in this video my Drake software training course that will be launching May 22nd, and I'm talking about it today and the rest of the week to show you the benefits of why you want to take this course from me, because it's designed to help people who are new to using Drake learn it to use Drake much quicker, and with some other bonuses that I'm adding to you buying the course. It's geared towards helping you to build your business much faster, to get you more profitable and sustainable inside your business for the long term, where you can start to enjoy some financial freedom for yourself by being able to have a business that's constantly making you money and position yourself to where you don't have to be there day in and day out. That's the big picture goal. You want to get to a point where you no longer have to show up for your business because your business has grown, and you position it where you got managers, assistant managers, lead personnel, and you got a full staff of people who well qualified, that you've trusted and you've vetted, that you've been around long enough to know that they can handle the business like I did when I was coming up, and got to the point where I didn't no longer have to come to work because I had trusted staff that could handle the business if I ever showed up again. And so that's the big picture goal with starting a business, for the most part, and should be, is to start from self-employment to having a full-fledged system brand business that's going to allow you to have the time freedom and financial freedom you want to have to be able to move about and do the things you want to do based on your dreams and goals of life, and having your business to fund those dreams and goals is the key to that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so every time I upload a video, go live, you'll be notified. And so I'm going to share my screen with a couple of things about the course that's going to be covered inside the training that's launching on the 22nd. And I'm going to leave a link inside the video where you can go to the training, and I have certain modules that's where you can preview the content. And along with the content, I'll be creating videos that's going to go with the content. I'm going to have a worksheet / working papers that's going to go with the content / video for the training course in general, for all the modules that I'm doing inside my Drake training course, as well as my mentorship and coaching program. And so we're going to go over to Drake itself. The screen you're looking at now is Drake software. If your first time buying Drake, you're going to buy the software, you're going to create an account, and they're going to send you some information through an email that's going to give you the information you need to be able to download your software and be able to configure it and get ready to use it. And so this is the main site that you're going to come back to once. This is the main site you come to purchase the software, and this is the main site that's going to redirect you back here from the email once you purchase the site, that's going to allow you to create an account, download the software, gives you the information you need to be able to configure the software, and then it's going to have a box that's going to pop up showing you all the things that you need to consider as far as configuration concerning your software. And so this is where we start at. We start right here by buying the software, creating an account. They send us an email with our serial number and our account number and our password, and we click on the link inside the email that takes us back to Drake and allow us to go into download mode and pick the software for the current year that we're buying, and hit download it to our system. I normally click on the button that says open when finished, and then it pops up once it's finished, and then I go through the setting up process. And so the training is going to cover all of that for you. And so for people who are new to using Drake, I got a client that I'm working with in New Jersey, and so she's new to using Drake. So having a consultant like me to help her out is a fast track to her success. Giving her some knowledge that she don't even have concerning how to grow and build a business is a fast track to her success. Helping her with tax preparation questions and situations is a fast track to her success. So she's already had a tax business set up, so she didn't need the full mentorship and coaching from me, but she needed the tax preparation / mentoring from me, where when she has an issue going on, especially during the tax season, she has someone she can reach out to answer any questions or concerns. She has a support system with videos that she can go watch and check out for reference points, the things she may be dealing with that she might not need me to be able to handle personally, but she can go check out some videos that's going to answer the questions she have which is going to be a part of the support that I give you when I'm not always available 24/7 to be able to answer a question. I've set up video trainings that's designed to answer questions you may run across when it comes to different type of tax returns. So the value I bring to my course with Drake supersedes what Drake has for you, and it's just because their agenda is different than my agenda. You know what I'm saying? So my agenda is to help fast track your success, help you to grow much quicker. Now, Drake has a great support system. It has training and videos and things like that, don't get me wrong. But what I'm giving you is another level than what Drake is designed to give you. You know, Drake assumes they're dealing with tax professionals who should know and be willing to do what they need to do inside their business. And so that's the concept and mindset they have. They sell you the software. And yes, if you need support, Drake has nice support. I've used it many, many times when it comes to having issues and things of that nature that's outside my pay grade. But the course I'm designing and bringing to the marketplace, like I said, is geared towards helping you to fast track yourself. By the quicker you learn how to maximize and use Drake, the quicker you can pay returns, the quicker you can have someone you can go to help you ask questions about tax returns that you haven't even done yet. It's another bonus that I bring. That's the benefit of working with someone who's been there and done that. The 19 years experience and training and insight I have, 13 years as a business owner that I bring to the marketplace, is priceless. You know, and to put a price on this course, I had to put it where it'll be affordable to you, because the value I bring to this course, with my experience, like I said, is prices you couldn't even afford it if I had to put a real live price on it. But since we're dealing with people who I value and who I want to help grow and succeed and be successful, you know, I had to make it at a price point that they can live with, that would make sense to them, that it'd be a no-brainer for them to buy. And, well, they can utilize my experience, my insight, my real-world training, since I've been in the industry, that's going to help them to fast-track their business to success. Because the big picture goal is you're going to start out as a self-employed individual for the most part, unless you got money to hire staff and things of that nature off top right away. We normally start off as a one-man show. We might have a receptionist or another prepared working with us, but for the most part, we are the reason why the business exists. And so when it comes to having a course that's surrounded and geared towards helping you to grow your business much faster, by using the software that you're already using, and you being new to the software, is the big picture goal that I've thought about when I created this course using Drake that I've been using for the last 10 years plus, that I want you to benefit from. So again, in the side of the description area, I'm going to leave a link that's going to take you to the course, and it's going to have a few modules that's preview available where you can preview the content. And as we get closer to launching on the 22nd of this month, I'll be creating videos that's going to be in connection with the content, along with a worksheet / outline of what each video is going to cover, so you can have different ways of seeing and understanding what each module training is really all about, that you can have as a reference point later on, just in case you're not sitting in front of your computer or on the software at the time and you want to learn some stuff and go for stuff on your own. You can do that. You know, so the great thing about what I had to offer, either way you go, is geared towards helping you to fast track your success. Now, with the mentorship and coaching program, if you purchase that program, then you get the Drake software course for free. It's an included bonus for people who purchase the mentorship and coaching program. But if you at a point in your career where you already got your EFIN and you got your business account and you got all of these things set up and you established to the point where you're confident enough in yourself where you might not need the full Monty, as they say, for all the things are offering what I can help you do, then if you just need the software and the bonuses that's going to come with it, that's still going to be an added value to helping you to fast track your success, especially if you stuck and stagnated in growing your clientele. You know, I run across people all the time who check out my videos, do my social media sites, who need help in growing their clientele. And that's one of the biggest things about being in business, is having clients. And if we don't have clients constantly coming inside the business, helping us to grow financially and things of that nature, to helping us to get your desired result inside of our lives, then it gets stagnated, it gets frustrating, you start to wonder what's wrong, and you start to have self-doubt and things of that nature, and sometimes you might just even think about giving up, and you really want to have to go that route, but just connect with someone who would help you to build and grow your business and take it to a whole nother level by helping you to be able to bring in clients each and every year about different strategies that I'm using, that if I'm using that'll work for me, then if you're using that work for you. And that's how that works. And so if you're looking to grow and build your tax preparation business, even if you're stuck at it, reach out to me. My contact information. We'll sit back, go over a strategies session to help you to implement some things that's going to help you to start to grow your business and get more clients in year after year to take it to where you want to go. And I'll see you in my next video. And by the way, there's one more thing I want to show you before I go. I want to take you over to the software. Here it is right here. And right here where it says setup, these are the things that we'll be setting up inside the training. We got options, electronic filing, account, ERO, firm information, prepares information, pricing, setting up your printer to the laptop or desktop you're using to do business with. It's fairly simple, but these are the setup things we'll go through in the Drake training course that you should have already went through if you already have Drake software as a tool you're using to prepare returns with. But what I'm giving you is way more than just going through what you've already probably done as far as setting up the software. What I'm giving you is my 19 years worth of experience and my 13 years as a business owner with using the software for the last 10 years plus, and my overall experience in the industry and working with countless clients and different type of business owners is what you'll get from me, along with my marketing and advertisement knowledge that I'm using to implement to grow my business, is what you'll be getting from me that is priceless. So if you don't know how to market and advertise your business to bring in clients and to grow your business and take it to a healthy five-figure, healthy six-figure, or even seven-figure business, then buying this course to get access to me to be able to learn to do that will be the smart way to go. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I want to do for you, is to help you to grow your business much faster and much quicker than you'll ever be able to do by yourself, because you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the skills, you don't have the insight that I have, that I bring to the table to help you get that done. And so I'm looking to work with you and for you, but your success will be totally up to you based on taking action inside my mentorship and coaching program, or as far as my Drake course. Either one you decide to purchase, the success is all up to you based on you taking action. And so I know you can do it because I've done it over and over again, and countless others. And so plenty much success to you and your family, and I'll see you in my next video.